3D printing takes designs from digital file to final part without hard tooling or long lead times. It all starts with digital files, and the Desktop Metal Live Suite software makes it easy to prepare, optimize, and generate a Binder Jet build file for the printing and sintering process. Live Build MFG is designed to help users print parts easily, quickly, and efficiently, even those with limited experience. Desktop Metal's software helps ensure build success, including automatic nesting, so that you can quickly and efficiently optimize a print bed with as many parts as possible, as well as support generation and slicing. All of this in a simple, easy-to-use platform that enables manufacturers to produce high-quality 3D printed parts every time. Live Sinter is a powerful simulation tool that both predicts and corrects for distortions during the sintering of the 3D printed parts from Desktop Metal's binder jetting systems. It simulates the shrinkage and many forces on a metal part during the sintering process and exports a negative offset of the part's geometry that is ready to sinter and meet dimensional tolerances. Live Sinter's unique distortion compensation helps users not only reduce time and cost, but also enables binder jetting to be successfully applied to many other applications. Once prepared, these print-ready files are sent to the Binder Jet 3D printer to begin production.